These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Suites, Charlotte, North Carolina, Elwood Road location. Otis. And I filmed these back in 2011, I believe it was. Because that's when I filmed the Hyatt place down here. But back then that was the campaign was still "We love having you here." So this is a retake with the under Hampton's "Making You Happy Makes Us Happy" campaign. Otis Series 1. Here we are at 7.
You want some?
Yeah, there's people on it, and I just got off with them. I forgot to send this one up. I guess that these are kind of busy, so I just assumed there would be somebody else going up that I could send up on that one. So we're looking to get this one now. We got a non-stop flight on that one, but people got on at 7, so that's why we didn't get a cab view of that one. I'm gonna try to get a cab view of this one. Okay, I think it's here. I think it's this one.
Going down? Oh, this is one.
Yeah, this is one.
I don't know how to do a photo on it. Look here, come here. Come here. Take it by the thing. Come on, girl.
Go up to 7. And here we are at 7, and hopefully nobody's waiting this time, and we can get a cab view going down. And yep, so nobody's waiting this time, so... So we'll go ahead and get a cab view. Pretty nice elevator. Like I said, this is a Hampton Inn. And I think I filmed this one back in 2011 before my Hamptonality, elevated Hamptonality. This was one of the first ones that I did my first years of TJElevatorfan. And we got non-stop flight good, so now see if anybody's waiting now. And yeah, nobody's waiting. He's really busy when we first got here. So we'll go ahead and end on 2. And here we are at 2. And there it goes. And that's it.